the mathematics class. How are you this morning? That's great. Okay, so are you excited to learn another topic this morning? Really? That's great to hear. Okay. Welcome to math. Math is very interesting subjects. Okay, since everyone is not yet energized, let me energize you first. Okay, everybody settle down. Very good. So, we have to memorize the multiplication table by 5. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Let's do it. Okay, 5 times 1, start. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. And 5 times 10 equals 50. Okay, very good. Everybody clap your hands. Okay, so everybody is energized and excited. Okay, so settle down now. Okay, so do you want to play? Let me hear. Do you want to play? Yes, we love to play. And at this moment, we have to play. So this play entitled Give Me What I Want. So I will be the one to ask and you're gonna give me what I want. So this game will be included the boys and the girls. Okay, so we're gonna compete. Who is the better and who is the fastest group that can give what I want. Are you excited? Okay, sweet. Let's do this. Okay, number 1. Give me a math book. Okay, hurry up. Math book. Okay, so the boys got it. Okay, the boys give me a math book. Okay, so we will have there a tally board. Okay, boys versus girls. So the boys have 1 point. Another one. Give me a red ball pen. Okay, hurry up. Okay, the girls give it to me. Red ball pen. How about give me black ball pen? Okay, black ball pen. Okay, there you are. Boys again. Give me an umbrella. Okay, anybody who has an umbrella? There you are. Okay, the point goes to girls. And the last one, to break the tie. Give me the answer. 5 times 9 plus 45. Okay, so the winner for today's activity is the girls. Okay, very good, girls. Clap your hands. Okay, so to the boys, better luck next time. Okay, so at least you are energized all. Okay, so did you like our play? Really? Very good. So since you like our play and you are all energized, I know you are all willing to listen to our topic this morning. Okay, everybody settle down properly. Put your arms in the armchairs. Okay, lend me all your ears and take a look at me. I am beautiful, am I? Oh, very good. I like it. Okay, so our topic this morning is all about describing and illustrating different kinds of angles. Okay, so what is my name? Yes, I am Mary Eden Aquino. Okay, and today I am your teacher in mathematics. But before we're going to our discussion this morning, we have to unlock first the following words. We have to review our past lesson. So we have here point, line, ray, angle, and vertex. Did you still remember our lesson yesterday? Really? Okay, so we have to unlock those words first. As you can see, I have here my suspense card. Yeah, it's suspense because the meaning is inside. Okay, so Michael, I want you to pull arrow and the suspense card. Fine. Okay, everybody's read. The point is an exact location and space. Very good. Another one. What is a line? Okay, I will be the one to pull it for you guys to make us faster. Anybody can recall what is a line? A line is, everybody read? Okay, it's a set of points that extends without end in both directions. So that is a line. Next one, we have our ray. What is a ray? So, okay, Lilibeth, pull our suspense card. Okay, a ray is, read it, Lilibeth. Ray is a part of line that has one end point. Okay, very good. Next is angle. What is angle? Okay, anybody can remember what is the meaning of angle? Okay, let us check if that is correct. Okay, this is the angle. So we have here, angle is the union of two rays with a common endpoint called a vertex. Okay, very good. So next is the last, we have our vertex. What is vertex? Okay, so I will be the one to pull the vertex here. Okay, we have here the vertex. Vertex is, can you read it for me, Maya? Okay, vertex is the common endpoint of two rays. So, how was it? Okay, did you remember all those words? Those are very important for our topic this morning. Okay, very good. Since you already know it and refresh from all those words, let's proceed to our very interesting topic this morning. So today, we're going to discuss about different kinds of angles. And I want you to listen up because the video will discuss you detail by detail on what are the three kinds of angles. And after the discussion, I'm going to ask you one by one if what have you learned from the video. Understand? Very good. Okay.
Our lesson for today is describing and illustrating different types of angles. But before that, we have to know first what is a point. A point is an exact location in space. We use a capital letter to name a point, like point A, point B, point C. How about line? A line is a set of points that extends without end in both directions. Like this, and we put an arrow in both sides, signify that it can be extended. How about ray? What is a ray? A ray is also a part of a line that has one endpoint. In naming a ray, the endpoint is named first, followed by any other point on the ray, like this. The point is called endpoint, or we started a line. And we can no longer extend the endpoint because it has no arrow sign. On the other side of the line, where there is an arrow sign, we can extend it as long as we can. In order to name this ray, we have to use 2 points. For example, the first point is point A, and we put another point near the arrow. We name it as point B. Remember, in naming a ray, we should start on the endpoint, followed by the point near the arrow. It reads ray A, B, not ray B. We can't reverse it. In writing the symbols, we write first the line symbols, like this, and we put the name of points.
Okay.
It cannot be written as ray BE,
Yes.
because our endpoint is A. Remember that the sign of a ray has an arrowhead.
Okay.
It is read as ray AB. Now, take a look at this illustration. As you can see, the two rays have the same endpoint. It means they both started at the same point. Ray AB and ray AC form an angle BAC. In symbols, we can write it angle BAC. This is the symbol of an angle. And we can also write it as angle CAB and angle A. Meaning, there are three ways to make this angle. Angle BEC, angle CEB, and angle A. The both endpoint is called vertex of angle. Ray AB and ray AC are the sides of angle. Now the angles has different measurement. The space in between of two rays can be measured to know what type of angle is this. And to measure the angle between these two rays, we should use a protractor, where there is number to measure and degree is the unit of measurement. Now, let us discuss different types of angles. Number 1, right angle. A right angle measures 90 degrees. It forms square corner. This is an example of right angle. We have angle X, Y, Z. When we measure angle between these two rays using the protractor, it measures 90 degrees. That's why it is called right angle. So how can we measure right angle? To measure, place the other ray at 0 degree using the protractor. The ray YZ place at 0 degree. Since the other ray place at 90 degrees, ray XY, we can say that this angle is right angle.
Okay.
Right angle has an ability to form square on its corner, like this. Again, an angle measures 90 degrees is called right angle.
Okay. Right angle. Everybody say
Acute angle.
Okay.
An acute
Next.
angle measures less than 90 degrees. It is smaller than a right angle. This is an example of acute angle. We have angle DEF. When the measurement of two rays cannot reach 90 degrees or lower than 90 degrees, it is called acute angle. Acute angle is smaller than a right angle. This angle only measures 60 degrees, so let's measure it. Using the protractor, let's put the other ray at 0 degree while the other ray faces at 60 degrees. Since this angle is only measured 60 degrees, therefore it is acute angle. Number 3, obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. This is an example of obtuse angle. Angle MON. When we measure it using the protractor by placing the other ray at 0 degree, it measures 140 degrees. It is bigger than 90 degrees, but smaller than 180 degrees. Therefore, we can say that this angle, MON, is an obtuse angle.
Okay. Did you understand? Really? Okay, let me check if you really understand our topic this morning. I want you to answer this one. What are the 3 types of angle? Michael. The 3 types of angles are right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. Very good. So next question. What is right angle? Mania. Right angle is, okay? Okay, right angle measures 90 degrees. Okay, how about acute angle? Yes, Lilibeth? Acute angle is an angle measures less than 90 degrees. Okay, how about obtuse angle? Yes, Isaac? Obtuse angle is an angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Okay, very good. Yeah. Good listener. You really absorb what I have discussed there in my video. Okay, next question. How can we determine the types of angle? By measuring the angle. Correct? So what is the measurement used to measure an angle? I'm sorry. Number 6 question is, what is the instrument rather? I'm sorry. What is the instrument used to measure an angle? We have, what do you call this? It's okay, kid here. Okay, very good. Protractor. Everybody say protractor. Protractor. Okay, as you can see, the protractor has its numbers. So by using the protractors, we can determine if what kinds of angles we are measuring. Okay, next question. Number 7. What is the unit of measurement used in measuring an angle? Okay. We have degree. Okay. Degree. We are using degree as unit of our measurement. And how to write a degree? What is the sign of degree? Okay. So degree is look like this. That is a small circle at the upper right part of a number. Okay, so did you really understand our topic? Okay, I know some of you didn't understand, but of course, I will have a follow-up discussion. Okay, so as you can see, I always love a suspense. Everything is suspense. Okay. So we have here a types of angles as what I have discussed there in my video. Okay, I will discuss it again. For those who can understand the video, then listen up to me. Understand? Okay, so we have here the 3 types of angle. Number 1 is the right angle. So as you can see, this is our right angle. We're going to put here a point. A, B, and C. Okay, so how will we know that this angle is a right angle? Through using the protractor. Okay, so we will measure this angle through the help of this protractor. So what we will do in this ray, okay, we have here ray B, C. Ray BC. Okay, we're gonna put there our protractor. See to it that is in line with our 0, this ray 1, and the other ray is here. Okay, so tell me, what is this number? Again, 90. So it means that this angle is a right angle because it has a measurement of 90 degrees. Okay, so you can see there, it is pointed as 90 and here ray is 0. So 90 degrees. An angle that measures 90 degrees is called, make it louder, called, okay, right angle. And right angle has an ability to make a square in the corner. Okay. I'm sorry, I can't write it perfectly. If an angle is a right angle, it has an ability to create a perfect square at the corner. Okay, so did you get it? Again. Okay, very good. No more questions about right angle? Very good. Next, let's proceed to acute angle. So acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So here's the example of an acute angle. So we will measure it again and through the use of our protractor. Okay, we're gonna put here in 0 and this one is here. Okay. What number is this? It's number 60. Okay. It measures 60 degrees. 60 is higher than 90? Yes. No. Right? Okay. 60 is lower than 90. Therefore, an angle that measures lower than 90 degrees is called what angle? Everybody say Acute angle. Very good. And the third one. There's no more questions on our acute angle? Very good. Next, we have here the obtuse angle. So, we have here an illustration of an obtuse angle. So, we are going to measure this to know what type of angle is this and what is its measurement. Okay, so the first ray we're going to put here in 0 and the other ray we're going to put here. Okay, so what number is this? It's number 140. So, meaning to say this angle measures 140 degrees. So, 140 degrees is higher than 90 degrees? Yes. Higher than 180 degrees? No. It is lesser than 180 degrees. So, obtuse angle is an angle that's higher than 90 degrees but lower than 180 degrees. Okay, any questions? Very good. So, I just want to check if you really understand the three types of angles and its measurement. So, I have here a clock. What is this? A clock. Okay. So let us see if what kind of angles can we create from this clock. Do you think what kind of angles this clock can form? What? Yes. It can form as acute, right, and obtuse angles. Okay, so let us check. Anybody can say if what angle is this? I'm sorry. It's a little bit... Okay. What angle is this? Yes? Anybody? Okay, this is right angle. Very good. Here. Okay, so here's the, let's pretend that here's the 90 degrees and it is higher than 90 degrees. Okay? Again? Okay, obtuse angle. How about this one? Okay, let's pretend it is 90 degrees. It is lower than 90 degrees. What angle is this? Again? Acute angle. Okay, so everybody read our lesson? Reading? Okay, again, let me check. What are the three types of angle? Right angle, obtuse angle, and acute angle. Okay, very good. So, what kind of angles do you think the clock form? Okay, it can form three kinds of angles. And are the angles the same? Reading, are they the same? Of course not. Because it has kinds according to their measurement. So, do they have the same measurements? No. Okay, they don't have the same measurement. Okay. So, again, if the angles measure 90 degrees, what is the kind of angle? Right angle. Very good. If it is lesser than 90 degrees, it is acute angle. And if it is more than 90 degrees but lesser than 180 degrees, it is obtuse angle. Okay, everybody clap your hands. Very good. Okay. So, for the generalization of this discussion, I want you to watch again my prepared video.
Math is fun. Angle is the union of two rays with a common endpoint called a vertex. This is an example of an angle. Here's the part of an angle. We have the ray 1, ray 2, and vertex. Kinds of angle. Acute angle is an angle measures less than 90 degrees. Here are the examples of acute angle. Number 2. Right angle is an angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Here's the example of right angle. Number 3. Obtuse angle is an angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Here's the example of obtuse angle.
Okay, so those are our 3 kinds of angles. Okay, and for our application, I'm gonna check if you really understand our topic this morning, and I'm gonna give you this. What is this? A star. Okay, I'm gonna give you a star if you can answer my questions or with your group activity. If you successfully done your activity and you can submit it to me and you can do a reporting, and if it is correct, then one by one I will give you a star. Everybody excited? Okay, does everyone is excited? Not excited? Why? You don't want to bring a star at home and let your mama say, "Hey mom, I got a star for today's activity." Oh, see? Okay, so I have here a prepared video and for your activity. Okay, so the first video is for this group. Okay, they are the visual intelligence group. Okay, so prepared for this group. This will be the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. So this activity is intended only for this group. Okay, since we have our differentiated materials. Okay, for the group 1, here's your activity.
Okay, let's do this activity. Using the figure at the right, identify if the given angle is right, acute, or obtuse. Number 1, angle AUC.
Okay, group 1, what do you think is the answer? Are you sure?
Answer?
Okay,
Obtuse
very good. You have a
Number
star.
2, angle BUC.
Okay, BUC.
Okay, what is your answer? It is
Group 1.
acute angle.
Okay,
Number
very
3,
good.
angle EUF.
Okay, number 3.
It is acute
Okay,
angle.
very
Number
good.
4, angle DUF.
DUF. What is your answer?
Okay, it is obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle.
Last one.
Okay, very good.
Angle BUD.
BUD.
Think. What angle is this? It is right angle.
Okay, very good. Group 1. Again, so group 1 has a perfect 5 stars for the 5 students here. So each one of them can bring a stars at home. And this is the activity for group 2. Group 2, prepare.
The main task for A. Draw the following angles and name them. For
Okay.
number 1, I will do it as an example. It states here that I have to draw an acute angle. So, means this must be less than 90 degrees, and I will name it as A, B, and C. Okay, let's do this. So, we have to draw an acute angle. Okay, it must be less than 90 degrees, and we have to name it as A, B, and C. Okay, so I have now my acute angle. Now, here is your turn.
Okay, so this group is those students who love to draw. And I want you to draw for this activity. So as you can see our activity, we have here the instruction, and I do the number 1 for you. So it's your turn to do the number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? While doing that, we're going to report that later on. Okay, let's proceed to group 3. Group 2, we're going to check your activity later. Okay,
Learning
so
task 4B.
4B.
Give the kind of angle represented by each of the following figures.
Group 3.
Okay, so as an example, I will do number 1. As you can see, it is letter H. So let's identify if what kind of angle is this. Okay, so this is a right angle because it has an ability to make a square at the corner. Okay, so now it's your turn to answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, for number 3, you have to identify what kind of angle posted or being shown in each number. Okay, so, okay, are you done? Are you done? Okay, so while group 3 is doing your work, let us check the work of group 2. Okay, group 2. Have you finished your drawing? Let me see. Okay, very good. You have your stars. Very good. Okay, that's great. How about your letter F? Yes, very good. That's correct. And how about group 3? Group 3. Okay, so let's identify group 3. What is this? Number 1, right angle. And number 2, it is acute angle. Okay, you have your star, Mikhaila. And number 3, it is more than 90 degree, but less than 180. Obtuse angle. Okay, Jenny. And number 4, it is more than 90 degree. Obtuse again. And last one, we have perfect square at the corner. Okay, right angle. Very good. So everybody clap your hands. Very good. You did well today. So, I am really impressed. You are really amazing, guys. Okay, so as our exam ticket, I will give you this evaluation. Get a piece of paper and answer the following. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Number 1. This kind of angle measures 90 degrees. Write it down. Okay, are you done? Next, number 2. What kind of angle measures less than 90 degrees? Okay. Number 3. This kind of angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Okay, they are answering so fast. Number 4. Unit of measurement used in measuring an angle. What is the unit of measurement? Okay. And number 5. Angles has different measurement. Yes or no? Okay, that's great. So everybody's finished? Really? Okay. Exchange your paper. Let's answer. Number 1. Okay, right corrected by. Okay, that's great. Number 1, kind of angle measures 90 degrees is right angle. Number 2, right kind of angle measures less than. It's acute angle. Number 3, more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. It's okay, obtuse angle. Number 4, unit of measurement used in measuring an angle. It's degree. Very good. And number 5, angle has different measurement. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, yeah. Everybody clap your hands for yourself. Did you like our lesson this morning? Really? Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, hopefully you're gonna work your homework. Okay, so I will let you watch this video and take note into your assignment notebooks. And don't forget to give your mom a star.
8. Give what is asked for each item. Name 2 objects with right angles, acute angles, and obtuse angle.
Again, I'm sorry, it's so fast.
Learning task 8. Give what is asked for each item. Name 2 objects with... Learning task 8. Give what is asked for each item. Name 2 objects with right angles, acute angles, and
Okay, so as your assignment, okay, so you will ask for help from your mom, titas, to do it or to help you do this homework. So number 1, you have to name 2 objects. 2 objects with right angles, 2 objects with acute angles, and 2 objects with obtuse angles. Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. So, thank you very much for listening to me. You did a great job this morning. Everybody clap your hands and say hooray, hooray, hooray. Go! Hooray, hooray, hooray. Okay, very good. So, thank you so much and goodbye everyone.